I'm Wicked Wombat, and welcome to my channel. Sea lions clear out a beach of tourists in San Diego. I guess they weren't in the mood for sharing today. A leopard goes on quite the rampage through an Indian village. Despite some extremely close calls, there were no reported injuries. A hungry elephant stops a bus for food in Sri Lanka. Here is footage of the monkey riots that occurred in Thailand.
Yes, he did.
A territorial rhino charges a car at Mexican Safari Park, causing quite a bit of damage to the rear end. A bear is recorded breaking into a Colorado home by climbing through the second-story window.
It's okay. He's gonna poop. It's okay. We're just gonna go back home.
Mom, the kids are went inside. People are gonna be dead. Yeah.
A wild elephant strayed into a village in India's eastern West Bengal state, creating a bit of havoc among the villagers. Pedestrians narrowly missed the wrath of a bull in Peru. A safari finds themselves on the run from a speedy rhino.
so long.
Yeah. No, listen.
Sorry.
I guess this is why you shouldn't leave your car door open when pulled over at night. A young gorilla is caught playing a bit rough with his sister and ends up getting a scolding from dad.
Yikes!
Here we see the incredible power of a rhino as it completely manhandles an abandoned car. Some birds cause quite a disruption for pedestrians of Chicago. CCTV captures the moments a black bear breaks into a school and roams the hallways. This sure is one angry bird.
Stop falling.
Two friends happen to find a mouse on the track. They slowly follow him until the tides end up changing.
Now we've got an issue. Yeah. I think I better start back. I can't back up that fast, can I? Oh, that's the first time for me.
Shit. একটু দৌড়াইতে থাকো।
A man has a very close call with a bear in East India.
He's getting mad that I'm trying to pet him. Okay, yeah, I'm done.
Are you getting tired, Tori?
Two bulls go at it in a parking lot in India.
वो गाड़ी गई शीशा गया तो उसकी तो ऐसी तैसी हो जाएगी गाड़ी ये फिर कबाड़े में कटेगी आज भाई कुत्ते का हौसला तो देखो दो कुत्ते हो गए क्या फट गया उठ जा गई भाई उठ जा
पानी से भाग जाते भाई अबे आजा वापस आइयो जाना मत
भाई और लुट केड़ा हो गया
A man and his dog find themselves being harassed by an aggressive deer.
Это колесо! Дуй, блядь!
Residents record a wild elephant passing through their village. A tiger finds itself being followed by quite the crowd of spectators.
पीछे यार लेना कोई मतलब नहीं फोटो नहीं आ रही इसकी
Let's take that.
भगवान इधरे आ रहा है खींचिए मार हुआ ये भगवान ये इधर नहीं इधर खोलिए बाय बाय
Pedestrians gather around a house which is currently being occupied by a wild leopard. CCTV captures a leopard strolling through a mall in Mumbai.
जवान कुठल्याही स्टाफला प्रार्थी येऊन देऊ नका तो बेवंत आहे
ఉరుకొస్తుంది గెత్ముతుంది పో
हरियाणा जब मारे ना बन लगा अरे बम जान बोले अर्जुन
An elephant casually breaks through a brick wall, then enters the building in an unusual way.
Back off. Hai. Chut. Yeah.
A bear on the loose sends authorities on a wild goose chase throughout a California neighborhood.
Oh yeah! Oh! Ow! Ow! Oh, come on, little guy! Oh!
Get it!
A herd of cows are caught on camera on the run from police.
Listen, you! Stop it!
Not gonna let him bite. He's upset. Got him telling you, man. He's upset. Let Matt take the blunt. See if I can draw attention away from you. Maybe he'll pay attention to me here. Look at it. Oh, he is angry. Ready to charge the van. There he goes. He spooked him. There he goes.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and have a great day.